In this Sticker Mule review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this software. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Sticker Mule. Sticker Mule is a custom software for designing custom t-shirts and getting them shipped worldwide. So this is what you should see once you've first entered the software or the website, whether you are logging in or even just signing up for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into this software to go ahead and show you how this software works, how to navigate it, and what features it actually has. So again, straight off the bat, we have this page which you land on as you load up Sticker Mule. Up here we have the products that you can create, the tools, samples, deals, and then your account all the way over there. You can go through this and see the type of custom printing that this does. You can shop now, get samples, and then go from there. Right below we have custom stickers, custom labels, custom packaging, and custom t-shirts that is all able to be designed on Sticker Mule. We also have a video where it says how to order in case you want to go ahead and learn how to order through this software. Free shipping, free online proofs, fast turnaround. So what this software prides itself on, which I really like, is how fast it actually orders out the shipping and how fast the software is in general, just from creating your t-shirts to getting them to your door. So again, that's a feature I really like, and I'm excited to get into this area. So straight off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and go through the products first and see if we can design either some stickers, labels, magnets, buttons, packaging, t-shirts, or even more. Let's go ahead and start off with the t-shirts. So once you click on the t-shirt section, it should take you to this area where it says custom t-shirts, and you can choose and start designing your t-shirts in a matter of minutes. So to the right of that, you can select your color. Right here we've got black, white, blue, grey, orange, and green. So a nice variety of colors, not too many, but there is a good amount to choose from. Below that we also have the different sizes from small, medium, large, extra large, and 2 extra large. Not too much, but it's a nice selection to choose from, so you can go ahead and start designing your t-shirts as fast as you need to. Again, that's what this software prides itself on, and it's something I personally really like. So once you're on this section, you can choose one of these like I've just read out. Let's go ahead and go with white, and then you can also choose your size by clicking or entering any sizes here. We're going to keep it as 1 in medium, and then click continue. But before we click continue, down here again, it kind of advertises what this software prides itself on. Free shipping in 4 days, soft tagless t-shirts, which is a really cool feature in case you want to kind of run a brand through this software and you don't want any tags on it. Your brand can be the only type of brand that is actually on the t-shirt. And then full color printing, which some t-shirt softwares don't actually have that, and usually they come kind of half printed. So again, I really like this software because of how well it puts itself out there and how fast the shipping actually is. 4 days for a software like this and creating t-shirts, that seems like a great deal to me. So it gives you some videos as well if you want to go ahead and know how to do them. Like here, print your design on the t-shirt. You can watch this video to see how to create your custom t-shirts, and then scroll through these, and it's more just advertising on how it actually comes out. Some reviews down here if you want to read through the reviews on how well this software actually is, and then that's it for this page. So if we scroll back up to the top, we can now select continue. Next, it takes you to this page where it tells you to upload your artwork. Now this is where you upload your artwork to start actually adding onto your t-shirts. So you go ahead and click choose file, and it should open up a file in your PC or your computer for you to select and then add to the software. So I'm going to go ahead and find a random file of something that I would add to a t-shirt. So I just quickly went ahead on Google and found a random design of some skulls that I wanted to just add to a t-shirt. Pretty much the first design I thought of, and then once you upload it, it should pretty much load this for you. So you have your artwork position, full front, center chest, and left chest. Pretty much then you're just choosing where you want your artwork or your file to actually be on the t-shirt, which is pretty cool, so you can go ahead and have a direct placement. Right below that we then have instructions, which again, and not a lot of softwares have this, so you can actually let them know if you have any instructions to prepare for your t-shirt. If you want a certain type of design, maybe you want it a bit to the left or anything like that, you can give them instructions, which is a really great feature, and it's something that I personally really love. So let's go ahead and choose one of these artwork positions. Let's just go with full front, and then you could type in instructions, which we're not going to do, but if you needed it in a certain way, you can do that. Once you click continue, you should then be taken to this page where you are checking out now your t-shirt design and your t-shirt quantity. So you have your description right here, quantity and the total. It shows you the design you added, which is this is the one I found on Google, and then tells you what you're actually buying. So you have your custom t-shirt, have it in white, size medium, and then obviously the file name, I didn't really name it. But there you go, that is it. That's how fast and easy it is for you to actually create a t-shirt, custom t-shirt on this software. So that's what I personally really love. I love how fast it is to create the t-shirt and then how fast it is for it to ship it out, which again is what it advertises itself on, so it gets to your door in a matter of days. So then again, this is where you then see your total, right here your subtotal, and then click checkout and fill in all your card information, your addresses, and then you check out. So once you actually checked out, you can actually go into your account section and see your orders. So this is where your orders would again pop up once you checked out. We didn't really check out because I don't want to actually buy the t-shirt we designed, but this is where it would pop up and you can actually see the order you ordered. You can also see your summary, which is just your account details, what you've reordered if you've reordered anything, and then you can also see the artworks that you upload or that you add to your designs. So that's pretty much it, the way we actually design it and go through this software. Again, in a matter of minutes, you can create your own custom t-shirt. You can do this with all the different type of products. Let's go through one more, maybe packaging, and you can go through the same process for each time. So you'd click what type of packaging you'd want, let's say packaging tape, and then you go through pretty much the same process but in different types, obviously because it's packaging and not t-shirts. Let's just select one we want. Let's keep it as the £19 one. Select continue like we did with the t-shirts. Upload your file just like that. Once you've uploaded it, click continue. Or again, let them know if you have any instructions. And there you go, we now have our second checkout item, which is our packaging tape. Really simplistic, easy, in even just a matter of even 1 minute there, I just ran through the next product that you can design. So not only can you actually design or upload designs to the software and start getting your t-shirts instantly, but you can also design designs on the actual design area of the software. So you can search templates if you want a certain template for your design, or even you can just start creating your design from scratch. So if we were to click on t-shirts and we wanted kind of like a t-shirt template design and we didn't have one yet, you can start creating them here and choosing different logos for your shirts in case you want a certain type of design. So again, just go through these in your own time, see which one you like best, and if you don't have design for your t-shirts, the software gives you a ton of different designs right here, so you're not lost on what you want. It's just a really self-navigating software where you choose what you like and you can get it as fast as possible. So let's just go and start designing so I can show you guys the design area of the software, and then it takes you to this page where it's kind of like a photo editing software, but you can start adding text, photos, assets, brand kits, and then upload if you have a design you want to upload, but maybe edit here. So if you were to just add this, you can click it or select it, and it uploads it to your design page. You can change the width, the height, how many inches it is, whether you want a background or a border, and pretty much just edit it like this. So if we were to click on this and actually select it, we can change what it says. Let's go with reviews, and we now have our lovely reviews design on this software, and you can start downloading it up here in the top right hand corner. And there you go, that is it for this software review. Overall, I think this is a great software for actually designing t-shirts, custom t-shirts, and getting them really fast. Again, what this software prides itself on is it's fast shipped worldwide, which is a really great feature because not a lot of softwares like this ship any products within around 4 days like this software does. So that's a couple of features that I personally like. I like how fast this software is. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Anyone as a beginner or as a professional looking to kind of getting into designing t-shirts, probably one of the best softwares to actually do this. Again, because of your fast shipping times, so maybe you want to fulfill orders fast, this is probably the best one for that. Would I use it myself? Yes, I would, no doubt about that. This is a software I would use myself if I needed fast shipping, fast designing, and great designs. Overall, 10 out of 10 software. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.